Good morning friends, welcome to Horse Ride. Today we are going to see about Sofa Part 2 tutorial. In this I have given you the one test. This question you are going to design from your side to understand how to do the modeling. Okay, let me go for the leg section. Press 1 on the numeric keyboard to front view. Press shift right click to move the 3D cursor below. Press shift A, create a cube. Go to wireframe, pressing shift Z, yes, Z to scale, and scale X. Okay, this angle we are going to keep. Then GZ. Okay, fine. Go to top view, press Ctrl 7 to go to the bottom view. Scale in Y direction, yes, Y. You can scale it along. Yeah, this angle will be good. So okay, we have created the bottom. Okay, then press 1 on the numeric keyboard, use shift right click to move the 3D cursor, create one more cube, shift A, mesh cube, scale Z, scale X, and go to Control 7 to bottom view, scale X, sorry, scale Y, yes, Y, scale a little bit down. Okay, we can see that box, okay, scale X, scale Y. Okay, this shape is okay for us. Go to front view and GZ. um, Let me go a little bit down to GZ. Yeah, this angle will be correct for everything. Go to tab to edit mode, press shift Z and press 1 on the vertex mode. Select the top vertex, press G to move, and you can leave it here. I think the leg size is more, so I'm going to reduce it. GZ. Okay. Okay, we have created. Go to shift Z and object mode. Sorry, go shift Z to in object that solid view and go to object mode. Press 1 on the keyboard. Press G, X axis move a little bit and go to side view and press G, Y to move in this angle. So we are going to keep this leg here and shift D and Y. So shift D to duplicate the object. So we are going to keep it in the same angle. We have created the two legs, so we can see the legs. Okay, fine. It looks similar. Okay, both are fine. So we are going to create these two leg in opposite. To do that, we are going to do the mirroring option. Select these two legs, press Ctrl J to join, then go to modifier tab, add modifier to the mirroring. So mirror it in y axis, so sorry, x axis. Okay, mirroring is that clipping is making issues. So let me do one thing. Instead of mirroring, go to wireframe mode, sorry, go to front view, press shift D to duplicate, and x axis you can move the leg to the parallel and press N on the keyboard, in go to item and rotate the object. So 180, so we can make it as 180 angle. Then you can go to GX to move to that angle, right? And go to 3, press G Y and move the angles. Okay, it's a little bit G Y. Use shift key to move the object slowly. Sorry. Yeah, now our soap is ready. So, and this one we are going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, scale Z. GZ, shift select and both GZ. Yeah, now it's hiding that thing. Okay, fine. Now this is created. Okay, now I'm going to create these buttons of thing in here. Go to front view, press shift Z to wireframe, select the sofa and go to tab view and select these vertices. Press shift S, cursor to the selected, so it will go the cursor to the 3D selected. Go to object view, shift Z and go to object mode and shift A, create one sphere, UV sphere, and you can make it this one as multiple resolution. So control 2 to make it and set smooth. So now it's smooth. So control 2 is creating a subdivision and right click and smooth, it makes the sphere smooth. And scale it down, press 7, press shift Z, so and scale scale and y axis you are going to reduce it down and press G Y to move towards the front, shift Z and go to the normal option. So we have created the button here. So now go to object mode and press front and scale it a little bit down. Okay, and you can go to move it inside G Y and move it inside. Press 1 G Z, align the object, scale it tightly a little bit down. Okay, G Y, sorry, and the G X and scale it lightly a little bit down because it's getting merged with the object. GEX, move a little bit and scale it lightly down. Yeah, now it's created on object, but it's look like very small. So let me do one thing. Let me scale it and GY. Yeah, it's look better now. Yeah, let me sweep it out. Okay, zoom it out. Okay, fine. So now it looks good. So this size will be correct. Okay, now I have created this button, so I'm going to match it to all the points of the punches. So I will, after do that I will get back to you. Or we can do one thing, we can use this option using shift D to duplicate it. Okay, select this button. Okay, before that let me apply the mirroring for this. Select the sofa hit this arrow mark and apply. For some persons it will be coming here only apply, so that is the old version. This is the new version 2.90. So after applying the, if you go to object mode, everything will be become a one single mess. Okay, now I'm going to do this shift D and X axis GX. Okay, so let me zoom it and see GX. Okay, this could be fine, because in long view it won't visible that small merges in messes. Okay, again shift DX. Oh, GX. Okay, here it's changed. So let me do by one GX. Okay, like this we have to create the buttons for everything. So I cut the video, and after filling we have created all the punches in these points. So we are going to create it for this. Press 7 on the numeric keyboard, press dot to zoom it. So I have selected one button like this. You can select one button and shift D, and y axis you can move it and rotate it in Z axis minus 90 degree. Now you can apply for the same. So you can using one on the keyboard and press G X, and you can go to wireframe GZ and GX and GY. Shift Z to go for the wireframe, dot to zoom it, and you can use this angle will be better, because side right angle is hiding the others. So okay, GY, GX, GY, okay, GX and GZ, GY. Yeah, now it's better look. Okay, so same way we are going to do for all the sides buttons using shift D and Y axis. It will duplicate for the same, and dot and move it and see work fine, looks good. Again we can make it as shift D Z and GY and GZ. Can press one on the period keyboard and GY and X you can make it a little bit fronted, and GY and GZ, so you can align as per the requirement. Okay, GX to go inside that little bit down. Yeah, now it looks better, fine. Okay, so I'm going to add it for all the buttons, duplicating that. Okay, so I cut the video. Let me complete that. I join it again. Yeah, I have created all the punches and buttons for all the points wherever we required. Okay, so I just check it out, everything is fine. Okay, GZ, okay, and this two GX, okay, GY, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, after that, so let me take one backup of this object, everything. Okay, before doing that, we have to unwrap the material. Okay, go to outliner in this section, so it will select all the cubes and everything. Okay, spheres. So let me see whether it's unwrapped. To see that, you can open your new window select this and go to UV editor. So I have selected one thing. Yeah, it's unwrapped for spheres, so not need to unwrap for that. So we need to unwrap for the sofa. Select the sofa. You can see here, select all, Ctrl A to select all. So it's not unwrapped correctly. So we have to unwrap the object to apply the material and texturings. Okay, press U on the keyboard and select Smart UV project 0.01, make the margin and press OK. Yeah, now it's unwrapped all the objects. Press go to tab mode and select the cushion and unwrap. Let me see. Yeah, it's unwrapped. Okay, so now we'll go to, so let me move this to close this one and select the spheres and remove these things not required for now. So I teach you how to create these materials. Okay, now for us soba is created, and let me do the unwrap for these two all the things. Select all, press U, Smart UV project, press OK. And for all the legs, press tab, Ctrl A, sorry, A to select all, press U, Smart UV object. Okay, we have to do for all the object whatever we have created, otherwise the material it won't apply the thing. Okay, Smart UV project, click OK. So now we have created our object with UV wrapping. So save the object, save the file. Okay, after doing that, so we are going to duplicate this and we are going to keep a one backup. Press 1 on the keyboard, select all, press A, Shift D to duplicate. So now it's created duplicate. Press right click to cancel. So when it selected the duplicate option, press M on the keyboard and move to the backup collection we have created in the first video. Okay, now it's moved to the backups. Now it's only one object is available. Okay, now we are going to, now if I move that G, you can able to see it's separating all the objects. So we are going to make all this as one item, because it's soba is the one item which one we are going to do. Except this cushion, we can do that cushion also, we can make it as a one object. Press A to select all. Okay, then Control J to join. It's joining. For joining it takes some time. So Control J to join, whatever the object we selected, it going to